You love. It's not for me to say. You love.
Nail fam, it's your girl TiaBella back again with another video. So Nail Addict was kind enough to send me over a box of their products, and they are currently rebranding to their new name called Nail Reserve, but the products are still in the Nail Addict packaging. So they've sent me over a base and top gel, and they've also sent me over 4 of their gel polishes, which are highly pigmented. They are also a vegan brand, and they are 9 free as well as cruelty free. So I love the packaging. I love that I'm able to see the colors on top of the gel polish bottles, which makes it easier when you are trying to think of a design to do. So what I am going to do is swatch all of these colors for you on my coffin swatch sticks, and we are going to be doing a nail design. So the first color here is this gorgeous kind of teal turquoise shade, and the name of this color is called Hypnotica. And you know what the name reminded me of? You know, back in the day when we were much younger and they had the new hypnotic beverage. We're gonna call it beverage, but if you know, you know, had just came out, and it was this beautiful color. It was like a beautiful blue that definitely brought back some childhood memories, you know, and it was such a sweet drink as well. But anyway, look at that one coat coverage, guys. Absolutely stunning, highly pigmented. You don't need to do anything else. It's self-leveled, creamy, perfect. So now let's move on to our second color here, and look at how that is going on. Such smooth application. And this one is called Do Me a Favor. I thought the name of this one was such a cute name. I love that they come up with these unique names for these gel products. Again, going on really smoothly, giving me a full coverage on this clear coffin swatch stick. You cannot see anything through this. And of course, my favorite color in the whole wide world is a beautiful purple. This one is called Lilac Madness. Again, I had to get a purple because it was just a beautiful color. Going on smoothly. Once again, nice and creamy. I highly recommend this brand and their products. And I love that they are vegan and cruelty free. And I love that they are 9 free as well. A lot of products have chemicals in them, and just knowing that 9 of those chemicals are not found in these gel polishes is a good positive move for this company. And now let's move on to the last shade here, which is this gorgeous nude kind of jelly color. Absolutely beautiful. This is definitely going to be my favorite new nude color on my nails. You can just apply this very lightly. Make sure you cover all of the nails since it's more on the transparent, translucent side. And again, look at that, still getting a coverage. You cannot even see the bottle through it, even though it's translucent. How gorgeous are these colors? All right, so we didn't get to test the top coat and the base coat. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply some top coat to these nails. And as you can see, the top coat is not too thick and it's not too thin. Definitely in the middle in terms of the thickness of this top coat. So I'm not mad at all. It went on really smoothly. And I love that the brushes are wide, so I get a bigger coverage. So here are all the nails once I have cured them under my UV lamp, and then just a glimpse of them in the sunlight so you can get a proper look at the colors. Now let's move on to the nail design. And immediately when I saw all of these colors, I had to gravitate towards that nude jelly brown and also the Hypnotica, that gorgeous teal turquoise color. So as you would have seen from the thumbnail, we are going to be doing some Egyptian inspired nail set. So the first thing I do after I have filed and buffed my nails is apply a layer of base gel. Now I'm going to go in with this beautiful nude translucent kind of jelly gel polish all over the entire nail. Give it a 60-second cure. All right, so we are done curing that beautiful color. And now we are gonna go in with a splash of this gorgeous teal color over the center of the nail. Gonna be a slanted kind of line. And the idea for this nail is that I just want like a slice of this turquoise in this middle of the nail. We're gonna go in with some gold foils around the edges of this blue. And then we're gonna do some Egyptian writing on the brown part of this nail. So here are the gold foil flakes, and the gel polish has a tacky layer. So, and these foils are rather thin. So all you have to do is get like a rhinestone picker and pick up the foils, and then you can apply them directly on to the gel polish. Now for the Egyptian writing, I'm going to use a brown gel polish that I have here, and I'm going to take my line art brush and just try to draw some little symbols that kind of look like Egyptian writing. You guys know that I like to do little weird stuff with my nails, make them look a little bit unique and make them look, you know, like, oh my gosh, what is this on this girl's nail, you know? So I like to garner some curiosity with my nail design. So I always have to have something a little bit, you know, out there with my nails. So again, once I'm done with writing the words, the symbols onto this nail, I will give it a cure, and then I will top coat this entire nail design. All right, so the thumbnail is done. Now we're going to move on to the other nails, and we're going to apply base gel to all of these nails, and then we're going to go in with some gel polish. So I'm just going to grab that brown jelly gel polish and apply it to some of the nails, and then I will also be applying the Hypnotica to my index finger, doing a full cover of the entire nail. Now for my ring finger, I'm going to be doing a marble. I've already applied some blooming gel to this nail. So now I'm just going to put down a dot of each of the colors that I want to add to this marble. And I'm going to take my little brush, my nail art brush, and kind of scoop it up and then put it on to the blooming gel and kind of swizzle it around to make sure that the color spreads throughout the nail design, and then give that a 60-second cure.
Yeah. Slow-mo. Let me know. Turn it up. Turn it up. Emotions normally take over your pulse. I know your name. Tell me who you really waiting for.
Now for my pinky finger, I want to add a little bit of that kind of Egyptian writing just at the bottom area of the nail, and then I'm going to go and outline the writing with a little bit of the gold flakes. So I want to tie in the writing that I did on the thumb, and also kind of tie in some of the gold as well, because I think only the thumb I have it on so far.
I won't let it out until you let me know if you're good. Just admit it, you got it, baby. Ain't you ready to go? And you with it, you know it, lady. Damn it, baby, I know. Tell me reasons you still here waiting. And you felt this before. All I want is you now and later. Go wherever I go. Go wherever I do. Go wherever I go. Do whatever you know. I know you know.
Moving on to my index finger, I'm just going to go ahead and apply a rhinestone. No, not necessarily a rhinestone. It's kind of like a gemstone charm that I got from Shein. Just going to put a little bit of rhinestone glue on this nail and adhere that charm that I got from Shein. This was also in one of my previous nail art hauls. But anyway, once I have this charm on, I will cure this under my UV lamp, and then I will go in with a little bit of the Egyptian writing next to the charm on this nail just to kind of tie it in, and that's how that nail is looking. So for my middle finger, I'm going to go in with a little bit of rhinestone glue again, and we're going to be putting some rhinestones down. We're going to be putting some charms, some Egyptian charms. I have the Eye of Horus, and I also have, I think, a Pharaoh's head. So that's what I'm going to be putting down on this nail. Alright guys, here is how the nails turned out after I have completely cured them. What do you guys think of this nail set? I absolutely love the colors. Huge thank you again to Nail Addict and Nail Reserve for sending me these gorgeous polishes over. Please feel free to use my discount code. I will have it linked down in the description box. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I will see you in the next video.